Fall is knocking at the door. Here are 2 ways to bring autumn to your porch with seasonal decor from Hobby Lobby. Our first style is a traditional look that features cozy textures and classic elements. Fall mainstays including scarecrows, bales of hay, and an assortment of pumpkins help capture the comforting nostalgia of autumn. Florals are a great way to invite color into your space. We went for a warm palette of oranges, yellows, browns, and touches of green. What elevates this timeless aesthetic? Incorporating pops of black and sleek lines throughout provides a modern twist on the hallmarks of the season. Our second style offers a sophisticated, cool-toned approach to harvest time porch decor. The elevated look comes together with amber glass, metallic finishes, and plush accents that enhance the ambiance. And a color story of deep blue, golden ochre, and light wood tones radiate elegance. Here's a tip that works no matter what your style is. Exchange your everyday doormat for a seasonal one. You can layer it over an outdoor rug to help it stand out even more. Feeling inspired? Hobby Lobby has all the essentials for a front porch you'll adore. Our fall must-haves are only here for a limited time, so visit us today. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.